Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to sculpt those abs and get that beautiful 11-line definition, all in just 30 days. No equipment needed, no excuses. Just you, your mat, and commitment. This workout targets your upper abs, lower abs, and obliques to give you that tone-defined midsection we all want. Do this workout every day and you'll start to feel your abs burning, tightening, and showing results faster than you think. Remember, consistency is everything. Don't give up halfway. Push through every rep, every second. You got this. Let's start strong. We've got 10 moves, 30 to 40 seconds each with short rests in between. Take a deep breath, let's go. Exercise 1, jumping jacks. Start standing tall, feet together, arms at your sides. Now jump your feet out while bringing your arms overhead, then back in. Simple, classic, and powerful. This move gets your heart pumping, boosts circulation, and wakes up your whole body. It's our warm-up, but it also helps burn fat so those obliques can show faster. Let's go. Get that energy flowing. Your transformation starts right now. Exercise 2, leg raises. Lie down again, hands by your sides or under your hips. Lift your legs straight up towards the ceiling, then slowly lower them down. Don't let your feet touch the floor, keep tension in your core. This move targets your lower abs, which helps define the vertical lines. Control every movement, this is where the magic happens. Keep breathing, you're doing great. Every rep is one step closer to your 11-line abs. Exercise 3, Russian twists. Sit up with your knees bent, heels slightly lifted off the mat. Lean back slightly, keep your core tight. Now twist your torso side to side, touching the mat with your hands. You're targeting your obliques, that's what creates those side lines of the 11-line abs. Twist with control, not speed. You're looking amazing. Stay strong, you're doing this for you. Exercise 4, flutter kicks. Lie flat again, hands under hips, legs straight. Now alternate lifting your legs up and down like small fast kicks. Keep your lower back pressed into the mat. This burns, but that burn means results. Your lower abs are working hard, don't stop. You're halfway there. Keep your focus, your dream abs are forming. Exercise 5, plank with hip dips. Get into a forearm plank. Now twist your hips side to side, tapping the mat gently each time. Engage your obliques, keep your core tight and shoulders steady. This move tones your entire midsection and sculpts those elegant side lines. Feel that strength. You're stronger than you think. Exercise 6, reverse crunch. Lie down, knees bent, feet together. Lift your hips up towards the ceiling using your lower abs. Slowly lower back down, don't swing your legs. This move really targets your lower core, where stubborn fat likes to hide. Keep lifting. That 11-line look is getting closer every day. Exercise 7, plank shoulder taps. Come into a high plank. Tap your left shoulder with your right hand, then right shoulder with your left. Try not to move your hips, keep your body steady like a board. This engages your full core, great for balance and ab strength. This is it. Stay tight, stay strong, no wobbling. Exercise 8, mountain climbers. Same plank position, now bring your knees towards your chest, one at a time, as fast as you can. It's like running in place but on the floor. Engage that core, keep your back flat. Push harder, you're burning fat and building abs at the same time. Exercise 9, Hollow body hold. Lie on your back. Lift your legs and shoulders slightly off the ground, arms extended overhead. Hold that position, it's tough, but amazing for full of definition. You're a warrior. Don't drop now, fight for it. Exercise 10. Plank hold. Finish strong. Hold that plank. Tighten your abs. Focus on your breath. You've made it this far. Don't give up now. You did it. Feel that power. This is your moment. And that's it, guys. You've just completed the 11-line abs workout. Repeat this every day for 30 days. Stay consistent, and you will see your abs getting stronger, tighter, and more defined. Remember, results take time, but they're totally worth it. Fuel your body with good food, stay hydrated, and most importantly, don't give up. Your dream body isn't a fantasy, it's your future. I'm so proud of you for making it through today's workout. If you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss your 30-day abs challenge updates. See you tomorrow for another amazing session. Stay fit, stay confident, and keep glowing.